If you want to catch me, you'd better bring snacks, little buddy. Otherwise, you'll never keep up. Welcome back, everyone. Some dogs don't need any training to become incredible babysitters. Stay until the end to witness the sweetest and most heartwarming moments that prove a dog's love and loyalty are truly unconditional.
You cannot hold him. He is bigger than you.
Baby and puppy are having the best time playing together. The babysitter position has officially been filled. Thank you to everyone who applied.
석급이 작가. There's a doggy. Oh, there's a doggy.
Easy, 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 Luna. All right.
You can tell he's enjoying every moment with his little best friend.
Going out.
As long as you keep smiling, your fluffy white best friend will always be by your side, watching over you.
Aww, Tommy's home is so cute.
Not every relationship needs your participation. Observation mode on.
Sit.
My little treasure, as long as I'm here, no one will ever hurt you.
find you with this bitch upstairs. I swear. I'm very sorry.
Sit. Sit, honey. Sit. Sit. Here. Here. Here you go. 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 Baby, no.
The truest loyalty is staying by your side and protecting you, even without being asked.
My 200-pound dog attempting to save my toddler's life.
Oh, puppy kisses. Gentle, gentle. Oh, that's so nice. Blue giving you kisses.
Girl, Chavo.
How?
You
She treats him so gently, full of love.
I hold him.
you cannot hold him. He is bigger than you.
I'm an astronaut.
What an incredible save. He always shows up at exactly the right moment.
I circle you.
Bir daha senin ağladığını görmeyeceğim. Al sana. Al sana. Bir daha olmasın.
Leave the sock ring.
Good, leave it. Ah, Frankie.
What an incredible save. He always shows up at exactly the right moment. The dog teaches the baby about loyalty, while the baby teaches the dog that even the gentlest touch can hold a whole world of love.
Give kisses.
You don't need expensive toys when your baby already has a playmate like this.
Nancy.
Every time the baby cries, the dog makes his own announcement in case anyone doesn't hear it.
Okay, yes, I see you.
Making his little sister laugh seems to be this four-legged big brother's favorite job.
You win. You win. Win.
When everyone asks just how close you and your best friend really are.
Bear. You're supposed to be a golden retriever, a family dog. Can you please let your sister touch you?
Yavaş yavaş yavaşça yavaş.
Oakley, she's not big enough. She can't play.
That is hilarious and adorable.
When you're heading to the park with your friend who's a whole head shorter than you.
Ne kadar keyifli. Kurtardım, tamam kurtardım. Tamam kurtardım bak. Tamam gel kurtardım. Bak tuttum onu. When your reading partner's always available and never judges pronunciation.
And that's the behind a squishy ball.
He wasn't asking to come inside. He was just making sure the baby stayed smiling.
Good job, Butter. Good job, Butter. Good job. Good job, Butter.
Even though they can't talk to each other, the baby's laughter is all the reassurance this dog needs. Nothing is better than dogs and babies laughing and playing. He is her best friend, but if you dare mess with her, he will. This furry fitness coach thinks lifting cows is the ultimate workout.
He was wobbling so hard.
You giving her a big hug?
A drill. Now.
He didn't choose the snug life. The snug life chose him. Backyard adventures are better with a furry friend. The dog looks like he's waiting for the baby to fall asleep. So cute.
Yo, you want to see something cool? No? Well, I'm gonna do it anyway.
Proof that some friendships are just meant to be. Who needs a chaise lounge when you have a gentle giant? Oh well, seems like someone just discovered their new favorite human. This is exactly my idea of the perfect way to spend a Sunday afternoon. Hers too. No amount of retail therapy or food can give this level of comfort. Mom, can you see? The tiny human is petting me for the first time.
You're gonna give him a flesh-eating disease. Rub his belly, Jacob. Rub his belly. Watch. Okay.
So beautiful. Dogs truly are angels in disguise.
¿Qué hacen acá ustedes dos?
The dog could have jumped on the bed in 1 second, but chose to copy the toddler instead.
You kidding me? Who said that you're allowed to be this freaking cute?
Come all the way through. All the way across the bridge. Across the bridge. Stan.
Oh, you can see how much he loves them. The family's nanny. That paw isn't asking for a hug, it's filing a claim for stolen property.
What are you doing, Allie? You rocking your brother? What? You're so silly.
You wet. You wet. Wet.
So adorable. The puppy is just as excited as the baby.
It's not below.
Golden Retriever. Customer service has received the baby's complaint and is investigating. Oh my goodness, so adorable. The baby looks like a little princess. Waiting for his tiny human to throw this ball is gonna be long in dog years.
Oh, so gentle.
Guys, some friendships are simply sealed with a lick.
Callie. Stella. Stella.
Meet our little girl and her adorable fluffy bed.
Security.
This game is all about teamwork, and they make the perfect team.
Millie, come. Right, you just stay there.
Oh, so cute. I love the way Millie protects her kids. So sweet.
What are you two doing?
Big dogs, tiny humans, and endless love.
I owed him up.
There is something so sweet about the bond between a mother dog and her puppies. A golden retriever protects its owner from hot water.
Oh, I used to say I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless I think I this little light.
Toddlers and pit bulls have formed a close bond.
I like this little light.
You love your puppy? Do you love her? It's Allie. Allie.
Boxers are the most wonderful protectors. Children who grow up with pets are the best. Animals teach them so many lessons.
That was a wonderful little kiss. You will surely have a wonderful time with that girl.
It's the best.
Who let the dogs out?
Mr. Norman faces off with the feather duster. Don't worry, Norman is here.
Well, it was nice to party with Buffet.
A girl and her best friend, the sweetest and most adorable gentleness. Every child deserves a dog. Great Danes are the most wonderful dogs. He said, "Hey buddy, stay here or we'll both get in trouble." It's amazing and incredible. Golden Retrievers are the best babysitters. Oh my goodness, can we say they are inseparable? So incredibly cute.
Oh, you like it?
Behind every big paw is a gentle heart. These loyal guardians remind us that love and protection can come in the most unexpected forms. Thank you for watching and see you in the next story.